The rise of fentanyl has been a hot topic all across the nation and right here in Green Country. The Broken Arrow Police Department is partnering with Broken Arrow Public Schools to host a fentanyl forum to educate the public on this dangerous drug. We're very happy to welcome in Broken Arrow Police Chief Brendan Berryhill and Derek Blackburn with Broken Arrow Public Schools to talk about this serious situation. Now, gentlemen, just in the last week, 7 kids at Webbers Falls Public Schools were sent to the hospital for unintentional overdoses from an unknown substance. Chief, I'll start with you. Just how prevalent is this drug and how dangerous is this drug for our communities?
So if you look nationwide, currently the #1 cause of death for 18 to 45-year-olds is fentanyl overdose across the nation. The dangerous part about this is fentanyl is 50 to 100 times more potent than heroin. And so everyone understands what heroin is and how scary that is. But fentanyl is something that can be pressed into pills, and people are thinking they're taking one thing and it's actually either all or laced with fentanyl, and it's causing people to overdose at an alarming rate. And some people understand what they're taking, but I think the vast majority of people don't realize that they're taking fentanyl.
Mr. Blackburn, you hear those numbers, 18 to 45 years old, that kind of ties into school-age kids. Why is it so important to partner up with Broken Arrow Police to really raise awareness about this drug?
Yeah, I think just anything that we can do to make sure our parents are paying attention. Our kids do have access, unfortunately, to drugs that are out there, and sometimes they think they're safe when in all reality they're not, or they have the assumption that they're made in a laboratory and that they're prescribed by a doctor. Unfortunately, in those situations, like you said, in Webbers Falls, you have a situation where kids get their hands on something that they're not prepared for. And as a school district, we're taking every action that we can to partner with the city and the police to try to inform our kids and our parents.
What are some of the main points you want to discuss in this forum?
So it's open to the public. It's not just about parents and kids. It's open to anyone that wants to come. We're going to talk about what fentanyl is, how strong it is. We're going to talk about noxolone, so the treatment that you can give someone if they're overdosing. And it's not just for fentanyl, it's for any kind of opioids. We're going to have some mothers there whose kids were lost to fentanyl. One pill can kill is kind of the mantra. We're going to have at least 10 different service agencies that are going to be there talking about access to treatment programs and prevention and things like that. And so, information was one part of it, but getting people to help each other and realizing this is not something that can be ignored and it's going to go away. It's just going to get worse if we don't do something about it.
How concerning is it to know you've already got to deal with that many kids and all the concerns you have on a day-to-day basis? Now you got to deal with a drug that is so potent and it could come into a school at any time.
Well, years ago, we went and got Narcan as soon as it was available so that we'd have it on campus, at all of our campuses, in the event that did occur. And I'm thankful that we have those partnerships to have them prepared and ready. Our nurses have had to address some issues this year, and we just need to make sure parents are aware that it is out there and that they need to be paying attention to their kids.
Well, gentlemen, thank you so very much. Anybody can come. It's free. Broken Arrow High School's Media Center tomorrow night, 6 to 7:30.